Hi, my name's Emily Kyle, and I'm one of the attorneys here at Kyle and Kupaszewski Law Firm. I practice in the area of elder law, estate planning, probate, trust administration, special needs planning, guardianships, and conservatorships. Thank you so much for joining me. So, lots of people have lots of questions, so I thought I would try to answer some of those questions. So, first, I just want to remind you that I'm not giving legal advice. I'm just here to give you some general information about a certain topic. If you have specific questions, you should always get the services of a qualified attorney so we can make sure that we're answering your specific question. So, the question today is, what is an ABLE account? So, an ABLE account, they were created by federal legislation, and then each state kind of adopted and created their own system. In Arizona, you can go to az-able.com. They have a great frequently asked questions section, so I encourage you to go take a look at it. ABLE accounts are meant as a way for somebody who might be receiving SSI and or All-Text DDD services still save money. So we all know that the asset limit for those programs is $2,000, not a lot of money. So ABLE accounts allow people to save money and still qualify for those benefits. Some of the basic criteria are: person has to have been deemed disabled prior to age 26. That contribution on an annual basis to the account cannot exceed the gift tax exclusion amount, which in 2020 is $15,000. That's total contributions to the account in a calendar year, not contributions by various people of $15,000 each. It's a total contribution for the calendar year. As long as the account stays below $100,000, SSI will remain in place. If it exceeds $100,000 in any month, then SSI will be suspended until the account is reduced back down below $100,000. For All-Text and DDD, there's no asset limit other than the account cannot exceed a certain amount of money based on the 529 plans, which are college education plans, which is just over $500,000. An ABLE account can be funded at birth if we know that somebody has a developmental or other disability, or can be funded at any time, even after age 26. You just have to be able to show that the person was actually disabled prior to age 26. The funds can be used for almost anything that's for the benefit of the beneficiary. They call them qualified disability expenses, but it's pretty much anything that would be for the benefit of the beneficiary, like a cell phone or clothing. They can even use the money to pay for housing expenses. So I encourage you to look into ABLE accounts and see whether it might be of a benefit to the one that you care about who might have special needs. Remember, funds left in the ABLE account when the beneficiary dies are going to go back to the state Medicaid program that provided services. So be conscientious, but it really is a great way to allow somebody to learn how to manage money and to let them have a savings plan. So I hope this was helpful to you. If you have a question, send me an email and maybe you'll see your question on one of our webinars. Thank you so much. Take care and stay healthy.